In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted pages in WordPress. Accidents happen, and deleting a page from your WordPress site can be a real headache, especially if it contained important content. But don't worry, restoring a deleted page is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side menu and find the Pages option. Click on it. You'll notice a few tabs at the top of this section: All, Published, Drafts, and crucially, Trash. Trash is where your deleted pages end up temporarily. Think of it as a kind of recycling bin on your computer, where items aren't permanently removed right away. Click on the Trash tab, and you'll see a list of all the pages that have been deleted recently. WordPress holds these there for 30 days before permanently deleting them, so hopefully, your page is still within this time frame. Scroll through the list and locate the page you wish to restore. Once you've found it, hover over the page title. You should see a couple of options appear: Restore and Delete Permanently. Go ahead and click on Restore. This will move your page back from the trash and into your list of published or draft pages, depending on its original status. Once restored, it's a good idea to check the page to make sure everything is intact and working as expected. Click on the All tab again, locate your restored page, and click on its title to open it. Review the content to ensure no changes are needed before making it live again if you need to. Now, what if you've emptied your trash, or more than 30 days have passed? When that happens, you'll need to rely on a backup. Ideally, regular backups are part of your WordPress maintenance plan. If they are, access your backup tool through either a plugin or your hosting provider. Plugins like Updraft Plus or services offered by hosts like SiteGround or Bluehost have restore options you can use. Navigate to your backups and select a backup from a date before you deleted the page. You'll have the option to restore everything or just the page. Follow the prompts accordingly. If you don't have a backup or aren't sure, it might be worth contacting your hosting provider. They may have server-level backups from which pages can be recovered. It's always good practice to have a backup plan. Consider installing a backup plugin if you haven't already, and make sure you're regularly saving copies of your site to avoid any future panic. So there you have it. Whether you're just undoing a delete or restoring from a backup, it's a simple process once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and happy restoring!